Hi everyone. For today's handwriting dessert, we're going to be writing words that have the or sound, and the letters that we're going to be using to make this kind of or sound are an A and a W. Or. Okay, so I'm going to think of an or sound. If you've already done the phonics video, maybe you can think of an or sound, and this word was definitely in the picture of all the teachers, so see if we can get the same one. Okay, have you got one? Right, I'm going to write one of those down. So here we go, we'll see if we've got the same one. Or saw. Did you think of that one? Well done if you thought of the same one. Brilliant. Okay, I'm going to try another one. This one is a D. So when we go a little bit of the way along and then we go back on ourselves, straight up and down. So we've got our D. Or or draw. Well done. Okay, this one's definitely in the video as well. See if we can think of what this one might be as I write it. You can read it. Got a curly cur. What do you think the word could be? Cur. Crawl. Well done if you got that one. Okay, and the last one for today. Let's start with the H when we go up and down along the same line. H. Or. Orc, hawk, which is a kind of bird. So I'm going to write a sentence with my or words. So I'm going to say, I saw a hawk. Full stop. Brilliant, and I can't wait to see your wonderful handwriting. I'm so impressed. It looks absolutely beautiful. Well done, everybody. Bye for now.